Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be cooking some Jamaican curried goat. Now curried goat have lots of benefit. It's a healthier choice of red meat when compared to others. You can trim off most of the fat of the meat to make a healthier dish, and always wash your meat. Now after draining all the water from your meat, it is now ready to be seasoned. It is important to thoroughly season the meat for the best flavor. Now we will add the powder seasoning. This is complete seasoning. We're going to add some garlic salt. Of course, the star of the show is curry powder, the Jamaican brand preferably, and black pepper and other seasonings. There are many brands of curries in Jamaica, but the one I like to use is made by Better Pack. Now goat meat is an excellent source of lean protein for muscle development, and it is a good alternative to other types of red meat like beef. Goat meat is also high in iron, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood circulation. This dish also have a lot of garlic, which is great for immune system support. The thyme, scallion and curry spices are an antioxidant powerhouse in this dish. After adding the powdered season, make sure that the meat is thoroughly marinated. Sometimes you will need to add more seasoning based on the look of the meat. It's usually never measured out 100%. As you can see here, we needed to add more curry. Pimento seeds are used in many Jamaican dishes, and this curry recipe is no exception. We will crush the pimento seeds for intense flavor. There are various techniques for cooking curried goat, but this is the technique we will be using today. Some people may use the pressure cooker to reduce the cooking time, but I think it takes away from the flavor when you do it like that. So we will be cooking it from scratch in the pot. It is also important to season the meat from the start and adjust the seasoning as you go. Here we're adding some onions, we've added the crushed pimento seeds, and now we're going to be adding some garlic. Now we will add enough water to cover the meat, and now we will put it on the fire to cook. So light up the fire and set on your pot. Now if you've been enjoying the video so far and you like the recipe I'm sharing and you like all the information I'm giving, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. That will be greatly appreciated. Now as the meat cooks, you will need to check in and stir the pot from time to time, test the meat to see where it is in the process. This goat smells so good and we're only halfway through the cooking process. One thing about Jamaica is that we embrace culture and flavor, and you can definitely taste it in our food. This curry goat is a taste of explosion waiting to happen. I hope you guys will try it. Now remember that I mentioned that we season as we go, so here we're adding more onion to the pot, and we're also going to be adding some scallion, more garlic, and definitely some scotch bonnet pepper. Now garlic have a lot of health benefits, so don't be afraid to embrace the flavor. As a healthcare professional, I cannot overemphasize the health benefits that it has. We also add some more powder seasoning to the mix, and we will be adding this to the pot. At this stage, the goat is more than halfway cooked, so we add these flavors, so by the time the goat is cooked, it will be thoroughly infused with all these flavors. We almost forgot to add the sweet pepper, which definitely enhance the flavor. Now, one tip that I would like to add is that my family and I, we cook large batch of food, so that whenever we make something that takes a lot of time to cook, when you make it in large portions, you can always have extra for more than one day. You can even freeze the extra and serve it at a later date when you are short on time to cook. Now I just added a piece of thyme, and this dish will be ready to serve once the vegetables are cooked and the meat is tender. Look how rich this curry is. I'm telling you, better pack is the way to go if you are able to purchase it. The quality of your curry also affects the flavor. Now, curry goat is commonly served with white rice and vegetables on the side in Jamaica, but you can serve it with roast breadfruit, rice and peas, any other side that you choose. Curry goat is one of those Jamaican dishes that draw people together. You usually find it at events, whether it's a dance party or family get together or even funerals. Pretty much most major events will have a pot of curry goat on the fire. Now you can't make the gravy dry out too much, so we add in a little water because Jamaican people just love them curry gravy. Now the moment we have been waiting for, this curry goat is ready to be served. Now today I will be serving this with some rice and peas and some vegetable on the side. Dinner is served. I can't wait to dig in. Now check out this beautiful clip of Negril, Jamaica. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.